and then I'll pull all these off. I'll lacquer thinner the whole thing. I'll re-grease it, and I'm gonna get it bolted to this bench because that one's too flimsy. So I'm gonna work on that now. All right, the swivel base is disconnected from the vise itself, so I'm gonna put some paint stripper on there. Alright, so as I was pulling it apart, I realized this is not good for restoration because of just how messed up everything is. So I'm just going to put it all back together, but grease it up real nice and make sure everything's tight. And then I'll drill the holes to bolt it into here. So I'm going to set my phone up for a time lapse to show me putting it back together. Alright, well last night when I was recording the time lapse, my phone died, so this is what it looks like. It's all done.